What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, I would like to say welcome, and if you guys could, I would greatly appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. About 87% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please smash that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed today's content, make sure you smash that like button. And we have another sneaker unboxing for you guys, but before we get into that, I do want to give a shout out to 561 Fitted because he is having another hat drop with SNEAKERTOWN, and this is one of the hats in the collection. I believe it's 4 hats. It's the Atlanta Braves, it's the Tampa Bay Devil Rays, it's the Detroit Tigers, and the Cleveland Indians. So they're dropping 4 hats tomorrow, April 20th, and this is just one of them in the pack. This Atlanta Braves go crazy. We got the black, the brown with the pink UV. And if you guys are interested in picking up any of those hats, like I said, April 20th on SNEAKERTOWN's website, and give my boy 561 Fitted a follow. He's always dropping the heat for the fitted hats. And speaking of SNEAKERTOWN, this package actually came from SNEAKERTOWN. I was on their Instagram scrolling randomly, and I came across this sneaker, and I was like, I gotta have it. Now, I don't really know how Asics, hint, it is an Asics sneaker. I don't really know how Asics does their releases. If you guys know any release calendars for Asics sneakers, please send it my way. I would love to see that and be prepared for these drops because I'm just seeing these randomly and I'm just picking them up. Now, if you go on SNEAKERTOWN's website, I do think they have a couple sizes left, but when I ordered these, there was only a few pairs left. So if you guys are lucky enough, go to SNEAKERTOWN's website and you might be able to get your hands on these. I don't know if they sold out just yet. But right here, we have the Asics 1130, and I believe they're calling this the shark skin colorway. Blue on here is reminiscent of a shark skin color. This is a fire sneaker. Asics is killing the game. This is just a GR release. This isn't a collab. This isn't anything special. This is just a normal GR, and Asics is putting out heat like this, heat on my feet. So let's go over the materials for the uppers. It is primarily mesh, leather, and plastics. We have the blue shark skin colorway on the leather. We have this beautiful white mesh. And then on the plastic, we have the Asics silver metallic with the mesh runner going throughout. For the midsole, we have a beautiful white midsole. And then we have hits of that baby blue going for that underfoot right there. And for the outsole, we have hits of black, gray, and white as well. Now for the sock lining, we have a white sock lining. And for pretty much branding, we have the Asics logo right there in the middle portion of the shoe. And then we have gel right there on the back portion of the shoe. And for the tongue, it is a white mesh tongue with Asics branding and gel 1130 written right there. Now, to be honest with you, I'm really not wearing too many of my Jordans right here. Yes, I know I have a huge Jordan collection, SB, all these other Nikes and all that, but I'm really just wearing Asics on my feet, and I'm really wearing New Balance. Right now, I'm really focused on being comfortable more than fresh, but with these, you can be both. You can be fresh and comfortable. They're in style. The mesh runner is the trend right now. So I'm just honestly picking up as many Asics 1130, Gel Kayano 14s, 2160s that I possibly can, because for me personally, for my foot, this is the most comfortable sneaker out there right now. Next would be New Balance, you know, whether that's a 2002R, a 1906. New Balance is right there with Asics in my opinion. But right now, I'm just really rocking Asics all day, every day. They're basically by the door shoe. So whenever I have to go run an errand and I want to step out in a little bit of style, I'm going to throw these on. And these are beautiful. I love the hits of the baby blue or shark skin colorway, whatever you want to call it. This sneaker is fire, and I definitely do recommend picking this shoe up. Now, as far as sizing goes on the Asics Gel 1130, I go true to size, and I have a wider foot, and the sneaker fits me perfectly. So I definitely recommend going true to size on any Asics, whether it's a 1130, 2160, Gel Kayano 14. True to size is the best way to go. So you already know on this channel, we give every sneaker a rating from 1 to 10. And if I had to rate this shoe based off of availability, durability, comfortability, affordability, all those abilities, you already know I'm rhyming today. I'm going to give this shoe a solid 8.7 out of 10. Coming in at a price point of $130. Now, I know most Asics Gel 1130s are around $95. So I don't know why this one was about $45 more than the normal ones, but it is okay because I want to make sure I secured my pair. And right now in the secondary market, these are going for anywhere between $200 to $250 depending on your size. So even though I might have paid a $45 premium, for the reason I do not know why, because most Asics 1130s are $95, but I still paid under market because right now I can turn around and flip this shoe for for 200 bucks if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. This shoe is going straight to feet. I love this pair. All right, y'all. Well, that's going to wrap up today's video. Like I said, if you guys are looking to pick up this hat or any of the other hats from 561 Fitted Collections on SNEAKERTOWN's website, the drop is tomorrow, April 20th. Don't miss out because the hats sell out extremely fast. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's content, make sure you smash that like button. And like I said earlier in the video, about 87% of you guys that watch my videos or my YouTube shorts aren't subscribed to the channel. What are y'all doing? Please hit the subscribe button. I need it. I'm on my road to 5,000 subs. I'm trying to hit that goal before the end of the summer, and I need you guys to help me out with that. So please hit the subscribe button. Let's get 5K subs within the next 2 months. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok, both of those links will be down in the description box below. Come through and show your boy some love. And if you guys are looking to join up on the Discord, I highly recommend checking out my Discord. Top link down in the description box below. Come through as we continue to build up the community over there. Listen, y'all, the more I'm looking at this sneaker, I know they're calling it the shark skin colorway, but I'm getting Silver Surfer vibes. So I'm going to go over to my computer right there, and I'm going to look up a vintage Silver Surfer t-shirt because I need to get the perfect outfit for this sneaker. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's been your boy Tim. Peace.